Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Yilmaz again. Here, I'm just doing a unboxing of a product I recently purchased from Costco, a jump starter. So let's check this out. Being that it's getting colder, I think this is definitely should come in handy occasionally. That I'm not really driving my car as much anymore, so it's a product I've been looking for quite some time. Saw the deal. It was on sale, $10 off at Costco this past weekend, and I just jumped on it. So, unboxing Type S jump starter portable power bank. Let's go. Cool. Here is everybody Type S jump starter from Costco. We're going to do an unboxing right now on this. So let me open this up. Bam. Cool. Ooh, pops right off. Awesome. So this is actually the charging brick. Seems it's about, I would say, just about the size of an iPhone. Actually, it's smaller than my iPhone. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so it's actually just compared right here. It's actually smaller, so it's actually pretty cool. So pretty small and compact. That's one option right there. Get the rest of the stuff out. Ooh, comes with a cool. I actually it doesn't come with this, but I actually just tossed it into the box just as like just to keep it as a FYI for myself. The box is just a piece of tape. So um, pushing that over. One thing. There you go. Get that out of the way. Cool. It's a nice little case that you could add into your. You just toss it under your seat in your car, or in your glove compartment, or somewhere in the back in the trunk somewhere. So there you go. Opens up fairly easy. Some plastic pieces here. Instructions. Let's see what it comes here with. There goes something. So two jumper cables that would connect to this. Let's put that on the side for a second. Move that out. I think we got everything out. Cool. Just move that out of the way. Comes with a cigarette lighter USB, so which essentially you could charge it in the car while it's running. So of course you would hope it is running to actually do that charge, but there's an option here where if you ever were going on doing like a long road trip and any people in the back seat were using the brick and the battery was dying, you could charge it at the same time on the fly. So it's pretty cool. It comes with about I would say just about a 2-foot cord, USB to USB micro. That's the reason why I kind of just tossed in this outlet plug here from one of my older iPhones. The reasoning is I don't understand why, but it just seems like all companies now are not providing this anymore. It just doesn't. I just don't know the reasoning behind it, or if there's anything it costs them too much money from a sale perspective. I don't know. Um, it's probably only costs like $2.50 to $3 anyway. So, but they're leaving them out. Even in the iPhone 12, the Pro Max I just got the USB-C. So I tossed this in there on the box to keep it just ready for this unboxing because I wanted to call that out specifically because I just don't understand why they're not selling it. But I don't need it anymore. It's actually great to charge it in the wall while you're doing an initial charge on this. They do recommend although it probably comes about 50% charge. It's good to do a full charge on this, which will probably take about six to 10 hours. And from what I read in instructions, typically if you don't use it, I recommend to recharge it every 3 months, which I do intend to utilize this at the very least during the day to day, just to kind of show this is where there is a flashlight function here, which is pretty cool. If you hold the button down, which is the power button, you have to hold it down for a couple of seconds, and it's pretty powerful. It's not bad. And it's the same thing. Hold it down for a few seconds, it turns off. And then right here is where your jump starter portion comes in. It's a little hard to open it up, but you get it. And you pretty much, you would just connect the cables and go to your battery. Red is positive, black is negative, and you should be going. It should work. I will test that hopefully soon. I don't drive my current vehicle as much as I used to, so I've noticed in the mornings when I turn it on, just kind of pull it out occasionally. The battery is potentially starting to die. So in the next couple of weeks, when it starts getting dropping colder here, I could just definitely see that my battery will be dead. And I'll just utilize. I actually will do an outside video, and I'll add it to my to one of my videos coming forward. I just know it's going to happen. You typically do need to drive your vehicle occasionally, and I just don't put any miles on my current car. It used to be my train car. I used to just go to the train station. Just haven't been working from home for the last 9 months, and I foresee that for the next at least 6 to 9 months moving forward. So um, that's it. This is just my unboxing review of the Costco Type S jump starter. Seems pretty cool. You could use this for laptops, iPhones. It has a USB, USB-C, and so does it have USB-C? I don't know if I'm lying or not. No, it doesn't. Sorry, made a mistake there. Just USB, but um, it's just something that I think everybody needs to have one of these. At the moment, when I bought it on sale, it was $49.99. It's great. Should be able to charge you at the very least multiple times from just if you're just charging kind of like your iPhone, Android device. You should be able to do about 4 charges to 5 charges easily with this thing. But that's it. Please subscribe to my channel. Any further questions, let me know, and I could definitely down below, and I definitely will answer them as soon as I could. Thank you.